So the rack is out. I need to steal the boot from this side in order to put it on. So I don't know where the other one is, so I'm gonna take this one off, put it on, and then reinstall this whole manual steering rack, and until I get the electronic power steering column, we're gonna do that mod next. So here we have the manual rack ready to go. I'm about to throw it in the car right now. Hopefully this solves most of the issues I was having. I'm not even gonna lie to you. To put this side on, in order to put the rack back in, I had to take out the tie rod on this side. Y'all saw how I just took it out before, everything was fine, but for some reason this tie rod is either a tad bit too long or whatever, so I couldn't even get it in, so I had to take this side apart in order to reinstall it. So now everything is in. So I'm bolting everything back up, and hopefully this will fix that steering issue. Got a nice little sun shower. Hopefully this is a good sign. So the rack is in. I'm just doing a little basic alignment to get the wheels semi straight, and hopefully, you know, once that's done, then I'm gonna go drive it. Oh, this alignment looks a lot better now. For a little mock alignment, drove for a little bit, it wasn't terrible. So we're trying to go get some gas, then work out. Started raining, probably see the ground, and this doesn't have AC, so no defroster. So overall, we're gonna try again tomorrow. Put these tires in the front, swap them, because I think the tires may also be playing a part, and hopefully, you know, get alignment. But we have the steering column going in, so we don't really want to spend money 3 times for the same thing. So we're just trying to get it dialed a little bit, then do the electric steering rack, the electric steering column, then do the alignment. But yeah, hot. So we messed with the wheels, swapped the tires, did the rack, and we just played with the throttle body, so hopefully it won't stick like before. But yeah, we're gonna take a test drive right now. But so far, it's slowly getting better. We still got to get alignment done professionally, but we want to do the rack first. Sorry, this one, the electric steering column first.